Welcome to Retro Off-Grid. This video is a video from back when we lived on the Off-Grid property in 2016.
Wild crafting with Huckleberry. She ain't no daisy picker.
Beyond the Columbia, deep in the wilderness, high in the mountains, above the snow line, grows the richest and most aromatic pine needles.
Actually, you don't have to go very far to find pine needles. You may have some in your own backyard. Many early American pioneers survived their first few winters on pine needle tea. It is a sure cure for scurvy. Pine needle tea has 4 to 5 times more vitamin C than a lemon. It is an immune system booster, good for healthy vision, skin, and hair. Historically, many remedies were made by the pioneers to cure colds, flu, bladder and kidney issues, depression, dementia, and tumors, among many other things. After letting your pine needles steep for 15 minutes in hot water, it's ready. Grandpa noticed that wild rabbits eat the pine needles off the branches in the snowy winter months, so we harvest them and give them to our rabbits as a treat. They love them.